Hello everyone, I'm Shen Technic Bricks. Yay! Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm gonna show you my latest MOC, which is the 1970 Dodge Charger. This video is a collaboration with Luke, and our theme is hot car MOCs. Yes. Also check out his cool MOC, link in the description below. Well, let's start the video. First of all, oh yeah, it might look weird, but I added some yellow strips to the car. To be honest, I don't have enough piece for making the whole car black. But does it look cool to you? Anyways, there are a few functions in the car, such as the rolling wheels and the opening doors. There's not much to mention about the wheels. But for the doors, it's a combination of system and Technic bricks. I used the 1x2 plate with pinhole piece to connect some beams and plates. The door has some strong friction, as it's connected by a 3L friction pin. For the front and rear section, I used the reverse stud trick to assemble the whole part. As you can see, the plate with ring piece holds the two parts together, completing the front and the rear section. Also check out the iconic engine. Thanks for watching the video, I hope you like it. Also check out Luke's MOC, link in the description below. I'm Shen Technic Bricks and I'll see you next time.